Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at your home. Children, this is summary video of lesson 2, keeping safe. So watch this video so that you can learn well. So now children, keeping safe means to keep us safe from accidents. Children, as we all know that accident may happen anywhere at any time. So do you know why these accidents happen? Yes, these accidents happen due to our carelessness, right? So what should we do to avoid this accident? We should be very careful and alert all time at everywhere, right? So children, we should be very careful and alert. We should be follow some safety rules to avoid these accidents. So what are these safety rules? These safety rules tell us how to keep ourselves safe, right? So now let's learn about this safety rule. Children, as we all know that we have to follow this safety rule everywhere. Whenever you are in the school, whenever you are in the at your home, whenever you are in classroom, and whenever you are go for playground, going to play. So all these places you have to be very careful, right? So first we will learn some safety rules whenever you go somewhere while traveling in a bus, right? Safety while traveling in a bus. So just look at this picture. Children, we must follow some safety rules while traveling in bus, right? What are they? First rule, that we should always stand in queue at the bus stop while boarding the bus. Stand in a queue means to make a line while you boarding a bus, to make a line first and then then enter in the bus one by one. Now the second rule that we all have to follow, that do not lean out or put your hand out of the window of moving bus, right? Sometimes you see that some children are playing inside the bus and they lean out their hand out of the window. So this is not good. We should not do that. So children, remember that we should never put our hand out of the window of a moving bus. The third safety rule that we should follow, do not get in or get out of a moving bus, right? We should not get in and get out of a moving bus. If you do that, sometimes you may get injured. Now the fourth safety rule that we all have to follow, that never disturb the bus driver and keep quiet in bus, right? If you disturb the bus driver, in that case the bus driver loses his concentration and there will be an accident. So be very careful. So we have to follow all these rules while traveling in a bus. Now children, same, whenever you go on road, you have to also follow some safety rules, right? So what are they? You must follow these safety rules on the road. First, always walk on footpath. Children, we should always walk on the footpath. Okay? Never play on the road. Right? Remember that children, never play on the road. If you play on the road, the vehicles, the moving vehicles may hurt you. Right? So always the third rule that we should follow, do not run across the road. Right? The fourth rule, always use zebra crossing, subway or foot over bridge to cross the road, right? Where we have to cross the road, we have to cross the road on zebra crossing, on subway or foot over bridge, right? You can see with this picture, this is zebra crossing, subway or foot over bridge. So we have to cross the road only by this. Now children, the fifth rule, the safety rule that we should follow, that you should cross the road only when the pedestrian traffic light is green. Children, whenever you go to on the road with your father in a market, in somewhere, then you see there is a traffic light, right? So it has three lights. First red, yellow and green. Do you know what is the meaning of these lights? Yes, the red light tells us stop. It means that we should not go. The yellow light tells us to wait. It means we should wait. And the green light, whenever you see that if there is a green light, it means we should go. We should be ready. We should go. We should cross the road. Okay. Now children, the next rule that we should follow, children, somewhere we see that if there is no traffic light, whenever you go somewhere in rural area, here you all can see there is no traffic light. In that case, how to cross road? So first you all have to look at the right, then to the left and again to the right. If the road is clear, then you will cross the road, right? What you have to do? First, look at the right, then to left and again to right. And then after, cross the road when it is clear. Now, the next safety rule that we should follow on road, that is stay on the left side of the road while riding a bicycle. Children, whenever you go outside and you ride your bicycle, remember one thing, that you have to be on left side of the road. Okay? Now same children, there are also some safety rules that we should follow in a playground. Playground you all like to play, I know that. So whenever you go to play, there is also some safety rules that we should follow. First, while playing, always follow the rules of the game, right? Do not cheat. Whatever there is a rule of the game, you should follow. And do not play rough games, right? Rough games mean do not push anybody, do not throw balls, do not hit anybody with a ball. So these are some rough games. So we should not play this. And the next rule, while playing at a swings, marigold or seesaw, do not push other and wait for your turn. In that case, whenever you go to in fairs, here you all can see there is merry-go-round, swings and seesaws. In that case, children, do not push other. Okay? Wait for your turn. So children, these are some safety rules that we should follow in a playground. Same children, we have also some safety rules that we should follow at our home. What are they? First safety rule, never play with sharp objects like blades, knives or scissors. You all can see there is a knife, blade and scissor. We can easily find it in our home. So children, you should not play with these sharp objects. If you play, then they can cut your skin, and use them only in the presence of alert. Remember, do not play with these sharp objects. Now children, the second rule that we should follow at our home, do not play with matchstick or fire. Like do not play with candles because they can burn your skin. Right? If you play with the fire, if you play with the matchstick, they can burn your skin. So never play with these objects. Same children, do not touch the electric wire, plugs, sockets, hot irons or heaters. We all can see there is a lot of things, a lot of electrical things in our house, right? Electric wires, plug, iron. Okay? Do not touch the heater. So we should follow these rules. Do not touch electric wires, plugs, sockets, hot irons or heaters. They can give you an electric shock. If you touch it, it can give you an electric shock. Children, never touch the gas stove and hot place, and never peep into any utensils on the stove in the kitchen, right? We should never touch. If you touch it, it may burn your hand. Never climb up of the windows and shelves. You may fall down. If you try to climb up on the windows and shelf on the kitchen and anywhere of the house, sometimes you may fall down and hurt yourself. So do not do that. Do not run on the steps, right? While you go on your roof, then in that time do not run down to the steps. You may fall down and hurt yourself. The next safety rule that we should follow in our school, never leave your toys on the floor. If you do that, children, Sometimes you play and leave the toys on the floor. In that case, you may trip over them and fall down. Right? So, do not do that. Always keep your toys in their proper place. Okay? Now children, there are also some safety rules that we should follow in a classroom. What are the safety rules that we should follow in the classroom? So first, never push anybody, never push your friend, okay? And never throw things at anyone even in a fun. When sometimes you are making fun, then you throw some piece of papers, you throw some boxes and another things that may get another person. So beta, we should not throw any type of things at anyone, okay? And do not jump on desks or run around in the classroom. You all can see there is a lot of desks and benches in our classroom. It does not mean that you jump on that benches, okay? So we should never jump on desks or run around in the class. You may fall down and hurt yourself. So do not do that. Children, always sharpen your pencil with a sharpener. You all have sharpener. Never use a blade to sharpen your pencil. If you do that, it may cut your hands, right? So always use sharpener to sharpen your pencil. Never run on the stairs of the school. We all can see there is a lot of stairs in our school. So it does not mean you run on the stairs. Always make a line while going up or down to the stairs. Right? Whenever there is a dispersal in our school, you have to make a line, and whenever you come to school and go to in your classes, in that time also you have to make a line. Right? Now the next safety rule that we should follow in our school, do not hang or swing on the windows. We all can see there is a lot of windows in our school now. And big windows, and so beta, it does not mean that you hang and swings on that windows. We should not do that. If the glass breaks, it may hurt you. So you should not hang or swing on the windows of the school. Now children, the most important topic, that is first aid. So what is first aid? Children, first means first and aid means treatment. As you all know, if there is an accident, the first help that you get, that is called first aid. So look at the board. What is first aid? First means first and aid means treatment, means first treatment. First aid is a treatment given to an injured person